New York Life and Banner Life, a pair of giants in the world of life insurance, but which one really delivers? On one side, New York Life, renowned for its stability and tradition. On the other, Banner Life, known for flexible policies and competitive rates. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what matters. We'll score each category so you can see how they truly stack up, and the winner might surprise you. Let's get our heads around what we're actually comparing. Picture this mind map. We'll be looking at price and value, the policy options you get, their financial strength, how quick and painless the application is, customer experience, and finally, how flexible your coverage can be. Sounds good. Alright, let's jump in. Let's kick things off with price and value. So New York Life, it's kind of the classic old-school pick here. What's neat is that you can get dividends on select policies and their guarantees are rock solid. But yeah, the premiums are usually higher, like noticeably higher. Now Banner Life steps up with seriously competitive rates, especially on their term life products. And things are super straightforward, no crazy price surprises. Downside, no whole life, no dividends, and sometimes you can't add a ton of extra features. But for value and price, Banner definitely sneaks the win here. Next up, policy options. With New York Life, you honestly get the works, term, whole, universal, you name it. Tons of ways to customize, and if you ever want to switch or change things down the line, their convertibility is sweet. There's a catch though, the lineup is so big it can make your head spin if you're new to insurance. Meanwhile, Banner Life, well, they keep it simple. Their term is super solid and you'll find a couple of universal life choices, but that's kind of it, no whole life, fewer add-ons. If you want options, New York Life is clearly the winner. Alright, let's talk financial strength. New York Life is like the grandparent of insurance companies, A++ from AM Best, around for over 160 years and run for policyholders, not shareholders. That's some serious stability, right? Maybe not the fastest at shifting with trends, but they're steady. Banner Life's no slouch, A+ rating, and their parent, Legal & General, is huge in the insurance world. They just don't quite have the legendary status of NY Life, so New York Life takes the crown for financial strength. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know New York Life has been around since the actual gold rush? Like 1845. That's an insurance company older than most countries, just wild. On to application speed. How fast can you actually get covered? New York Life does offer some digital stuff and you get great agent support, but if you want to skip the medical exam or just zoom through, the process might not happen. Banner Life though? Oh, they're fast. Lots of people breeze through without even talking to anyone or seeing a needle, at least for certain ages and coverage levels. But yeah, bigger policies still might need some paperwork. Still, Banner's process is way snappier, so they grab the win here. Customer experience time. New York Life pulls strong ratings for satisfaction, mainly because their agents really know their stuff and you get a bunch of online tools. Downside: if you hate working with agents or navigating a lot of website info, it could get annoying. Banner Life, they're all about digital efficiency. Easy to buy, claims get processed quickly, that's awesome. Knock is, if you like talking to a real person in person, it's kind of limited. Both have some quirks, but it kind of balances out, so we're calling this one a tie. Now let's dig into coverage flexibility. New York Life lets you stack on a whole menu of riders, chronic illness, disability, you name it, and the policies are flexible whether you want to tinker with payments or build up cash value. Sometimes all those choices feel a little much, but you can get really creative if you want. Banner Life gives you some living benefits and their term policies are convertible, so if you want to shift your coverage later, that's an option. But honestly, permanent coverage and add-ons are pretty limited. New York Life is the clear champ for flexibility. If you look at the big picture like on a radar chart, Banner Life dominates on price and speed, while New York Life stretches way out on options, strength, and flexibility. Customer experience is pretty evenly matched, so you could say it comes down to what matters most to you. So what's my take? If you want something straightforward, don't need a bunch of extras, and want big coverage for less, Banner Life makes a super compelling case. But if you're in it for the long haul, want all the options, or maybe want to build a real legacy with cash value or even dividends, New York Life is just tough to beat. Was this comparison helpful? If you want more honest takes like this, make sure to follow for all the latest insurance insights.